utang na loob. Is it
Oy.
a Pinoy thing? I think it's such a Pinoy thing.
It's more of a Pinoy thing.
Where did this...
Hindi ko naman sasabihin hindi mautang na loob yung ibang culture, pero I think it's more of Pinoy talaga ang ganun.
Hindi ko alam if it started with our parents. Di ba?
Yeah.
Yung utang na loob, thank you, but I'm expecting something in return. Di ba? I scratch your back, you scratch my back.
You scratch mine.
I don't know if it started when we were kids. As you grow up, di ba? Then our parents get old.
Yeah.
Parang inisip natin na, okay, inalagaan tayo ng parents natin. So ngayon, meron tayong utang na loob na
So,
alagaan
parang you're
sila
saying,
when they get old.
Bata pa lang tayo, embedded na sa
Correct.
atin yung ganong klase ng ugali.
Which I think so. Diba? Not like in other countries, let's say in the States. When you get to 18, bahala ka na sa buhay mo.
True.
To the point na their parents, na tumitira lang sa mga home for the aged, ganon. Utang na loob also has, aminin natin, destroyed a lot of relationships.